Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you a strategy that uses a Nadaraya Watson envelope made by Lux Algo. So as we know, the Nadaraya Watson envelope repaints. I have a specific video on this that I'm going to link in the description of this video. I highly suggest checking it out before you watch this strategy, because the number one thing people say about this is, hey, it repaints, how do I use it, the signals change, yada yada. So I've addressed that in another video. Now, the nice thing about this, as I mentioned in the other video, is we can use this in confluence with other non-repainting indicators. Just because it repaints doesn't mean it's useless, does not mean it's presenting useless information to us. In fact, it can be very, very useful. So, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to load up Lux Algo Premium 5.2, and all I've got here is the reversal zones, because I believe these are going to be nice in confluence in the Nadaraya Watson envelope. So, the strategy is simple. And this is really, really, really efficient for scalpers. I've loaded up the 5 minute on Bitcoin. You can use this on any time frame. But in general, it's very nice for scalpers. It's nice for in and out trades. So the strategy is very simple. When we get a buy signal, denoted with a green triangle, and the price is inside the reversal zone, we buy, we enter a long. And as you can see here, we get some confluence here with a buy, and the price is inside the reversal zone, so maybe it's a nice time to buy. The price goes up. As we can see here, we get a green triangle and it's inside the reversal zone, so it's a buy and the price goes up. Nice opportunity for a scalp. Then again, a perfect wick into the reversal zone, a buy, the price goes up. Yes, look, we get sell signals here, but in trading you can't catch everything. We want to filter out more noise, so we're looking for confluence here. Here's a sell signal and the price goes down, and these are excellent opportunities for little scalps. Now you can go ahead and add an extra layer into this. Let's say you want to turn on contrarian signals. Now contrarian signals, of course, do not repaint. They are non-repainting, so we can start to look for confluence with these as well. So for example, I've loaded up contrarian signals and I've optimized them using the dashboard. It's telling me set the sensitivity to 33. That's what I've gone ahead and done. And we can use these in even more confluence to attempt to scalp. So you see here, we get a strong sell signal. It's inside the reversal zone. We get a Nadaraya Watson sell, and it's a great opportunity to enter some kind of short position or a quick scalp. We can also go to these locations on the chart. So look, we get a sell signal, contrarian, non-repainting. It's inside the reversal zone, but then we get even more confluence when the Nadaraya Watson prints a sell signal. So yes, it may repaint, but we can use this in confluence. Just because it may or may not be removed in the future doesn't mean it's useful there and then. Here, we get a strong buy on this candle, but the price doesn't immediately bounce, it comes down further, but we get a Nadaraya Watson buy. So it suggests, hey, maybe you don't want to exit your position quite yet because the price may bounce, and indeed it does. So just because it repaints does not mean it's useless. Add it into your trading. At the end of the day, it's very, very minimal envelopes. It does not clutter your chart. So hopefully this video helped you understand how to use the Nadaraya Watson envelope in your trading. It's really versatile and you can use it in confluence with a lot of other indicators, but you want to try and make those indicators non-repainting ones. You want to add it in confluence with other indicators. If all of your indicators are repainting, you may experience issues because that's totally useless and there may be problems. But if you introduce some non-repainting aspects and use the repainting indicator in confluence with other indicators, it's great. There's nothing wrong with it. And in fact, I can suggest that because it makes your chart cleaner. Instead of having triangles everywhere, you have this nice minimal clean chart that presents useful information for you. These arrows where you see significant arrows, you can use these as support and resistance levels. You can draw support resistance from them because they are coming from significant levels. Just because it repaints does not mean it's useless. So, thank you for watching. Hopefully this has shown you some nice ideas how to use a Nadaraya Watson envelope in your trading in real time. And let me know in the comments what you'd like to see me cover next.